Yug and Harshdeep. They were students here in Delmi Training Institute, so absolutely they took the courses here. As soon as their courses were done, they had the opportunity to join the Delmi Solutions team on the field for 2 weeks. And once they were done, they started to do their own thing. And apparently, whatever they learned here in class, they're really applying it. It's so much positive news. I just don't know. I just saw them pop in today to come and say thank you to the Delmi team, and also to share their experience with some of the students who are here, to encourage them that, you know, whatever we teach in here, you experience that in real life on the field. Let's rewind their journey in Delmi Training Institute. Every journey begins with a spark, your desire to learn, grow, and achieve. We don't just teach skills. We shape careers by blending classroom learning with hands-on training that mirrors real-world challenges. Now let's talk about internship experience at Delmi Solutions and with our partners. From understanding advanced cabling systems to mastering the use of industry standard tools, every moment spent here prepares you for the field. We believe in creating success stories, like Yug and Harshdeep, turning potential into excellence and dreams into reality.
We were very patient and we were very calm on the job.
The senior tech was really appreciating, like, the work you did is like very neat and clean. The way he was expecting us to do, so we did like exactly what he wants.
We just assigned you a task and that's it.
And he assigned us a task on the very second day only, because on the first day we just met, we had an intro and he showed us what the things we're gonna do on the site. He showed us once. The second time we guys together did that thing, and he said, you guys are good to go. So the job which should be done in like 1 hour, like a single task which should be done in 1 hour, we guys were killing it in like 20 minutes.
So how would you say the 2 weeks that you guys spent on the field, did that 2 weeks really translate into something that you guys are doing?
It did, because the most of the work like we did in our company so far is like whatever we learned on field. Like we had an idea, like the supervisor told us like what we have to do and like pull the cables and everything, but we saw that, so we knew like what we are going to do, and we did that. So he was pretty impressed with that work.
And like he was also impressed, like whatever terms he was using, we already knew that terms, like string, pull string, like those things. Like he says Cat 6, we know what is Cat 6 cable.
Fish pole.
Everything. Whatever he was saying.
Yeah, we used even fish pole, fish tape, everything we used. Like for different scenarios. Like
not even a single time he told us how to do such things. He only asked, do you guys know? We said, yeah, we guys know. So he was standing on our, like, close to us, that how we guys are doing. Once we did one, he said, it's all okay.
I'm so happy that all the things that you guys learned here in class, you actually applying them on the field. You guys are working with fish tapes, fish poles, and
everything.
Yeah. Wow. So all thanks goes to your instructor Ali.
Always.
Really appreciate.
Ali, thank you so much. These are your boys. They're so proud.
I'm so proud of them.
Yeah, thanks.
So good.
Thanks, Ali.
I think it's amazing, and these are just part of the success stories here at the Delmi Training Institute. We don't just talk the talk. We let others do the talking for us, right? And our words are true. Like, we give you 100%. You come in from zero, we make you a hero. And you know what? That's just how it spreads. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. And just keep killing it.
Thank
you so much.
It's all because of your efforts.
Thanks, Ali.